Today I'm sharing with you 5 new crockpot recipes. If you've been around my channel, you know how much I love using my crockpot and I love sharing my crockpot recipes with you. So I hope you really enjoy these 5 new recipes. They're delicious and of course they're easy. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe. Let's get these crockpot recipes going. This first crockpot recipe is going to be a protein pasta. I have 2 chicken breasts, which is our favorite protein. I'm going to make a really awesome sauce. So I have my NutriBullet. You can use any kind of blender, but I have this no sugar added Prego spaghetti sauce. This is what we use anytime we have spaghetti. I love that it has no sugar added. There's cottage cheese. I love cottage cheese, high in protein, 13 grams of protein per serving. So I'm going to mix these two together, going to blend it nice and smooth. So a few little spins in my NutriBullet and this sauce will be really, really great. So I'm going to add the sauce into the crock pot and it's going to cook with the chicken. Really yummy, really high in protein, so easy to whip this up. If you're looking to add some more protein to your diet, definitely this sauce is a huge hit. I'm adding in 2 cups of spinach. I'm going to give it a little stir. I'm going to cook this on low for about 7 hours. It's all done. I'm going to give it a little stir. This sauce is great. The chicken is so tender. It just basically falls apart. And I'm going to use my chicken shredder that I use so often. I use it multiple times a week. I'm going to take my chicken out. I'm going to put it on these little spokes here. And then the top has little spikes as well. So you just push it down, give it a little spin, and then the chicken is just perfectly shredded, super duper easy, and just really convenient. I love it. I have been doing shredded chicken, all different varieties lately with this chicken shredder. It's so great. So I have all the chicken shredded up, and I'm going to cook the pasta that's going to go with this. And so I'm going to just cook it on the stove. I have this protein pasta, high in protein, so really love this dish. So the pasta is cooked. I'm going to add it in, mix it with the awesome chicken and sauce. It's a really, really great dinner. My family absolutely loves this one. It is so easy, just dump and go everything, and I just love it. Anything high in protein, we're big fans of. So you can top it with a little Parmesan cheese and you're good to go. A really awesome dinner. I'm going to do some meatballs. This is going to be a French onion soup meatball. So frozen meatballs, French onion condensed soup. I'm going to pour this in. So much awesome flavor with this and so easy. Just dump and go. I love these onion soup packets. They are kind of my go-to. I use them in a ton of different recipes. I have Better Than Bouillon for my beef broth. I'm going to add in a cup of beef broth. And I love frozen meatball crockpot recipes. They are just really dump and go, and you can set them and they can cook all day. So you don't have to worry about them drying out, which I absolutely love. So you can cook this on low for 7 to 8 hours, or you can do on high for 3 to 4 hours as well. They are so good, so nice and tender, cooking in this really awesome juice gravy. So you can also add in some cornstarch if you want to thicken up the gravy, but a really awesome, easy dinner. So another easiest thing ever is taco meat in the crock pot. So I'm using ground turkey. I have a can of tomato sauce and our favorite taco seasoning. Just gonna give this a little mash and break it up and mix up the tomato sauce and the seasoning with the ground turkey. I'm going to cook this on low for 7 to 8 hours. You can do it on high for 3 to 4 hours. And this taco meat is ready to go. So easy. It honestly doesn't get any easier than this. We love taco nights. My kids love tacos. So this is a really, really great way to make it really easy, which they're easy anyways, but this just makes it even easier. So good. I'm going to do a Mississippi chicken. So I have 3 chicken breasts. I have this can of pepperoncinis. So I'm adding in the juice and the pepperoncinis as well to the crock pot. I'm adding in a packet of ranch seasoning mix, which I use a lot of ranch seasoning mix for different recipes. Some brown gravy mix as well added into this. Just super easy dump and go. I absolutely love dump and go. So just add this all in, put it on for 7 to 8 hours on low, and then when you get home, you have some really awesome chicken, and you can make any of your favorite sides. We do a lot of side salads, a lot of rice, but your favorite sides go really great with this Mississippi chicken. So much flavor in this. It is a huge, huge hit. I'm going to another frozen meatball recipe. They are so easy. I have my frozen meatballs. I have 2 bell peppers. I'm using green and orange, which orange is my favorite, and I love green also. I have a can of pineapple chunks. I'm going to drain that juice before I add the pineapple in. I have rice vinegar. I'm doing 1/4 cup. I also have soy sauce. So this is a sweet and sour meatball recipe, and it is really, really good. 1/4 cup of the soy sauce. I'm going to do 1/4 cup of ketchup as well. I have some brown sugar. I'm going to do 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. I'm going to give this a little bit of a mix and mix around this ketchup and sauces a bit. And this is so dump and go. You just throw everything in this crock pot. You can set it on low for 7 to 8 hours or on high for 3 to 4 hours. And these meatballs are amazing. Huge, huge hit with my whole family. They have the sweetness to it with the sweet and sour. And I just absolutely love them. This one will be on repeat in your house for sure. So serve with your side of your favorite veggies, side salad, and you're good to go for a really easy crock pot dinner. I hope you love these 5 new crock pot recipes. I love sharing them with you. If you're new to my channel, make sure you click subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.